Hey guy, I just bought this car for my son. It's a Hyundai Accent. I didn't see brake light stay on. Don't know why. Just this my son's first car, small. Let him try, easy. But the brake light is already on. All right, I couldn't turn the brake light. I don't know what happened. It just stay on. So I looked at YouTube information, and I saw this guy named Jason, and go support him. And he told me he's put his 2 cents in, so I'm gonna put my 2 cents in as well. Do what he did, some glue. And look at this down here. See this piece right here is broke off. So we gotta replace those pieces right there. It broke off on the part down there, underneath here somewhere, up in there. So I'm gonna do that. We're gonna glue these 2 cents together and glue and put it underneath the brake pad with the switches. Press the switch up when you release the brake pad, and press the switch up and turn the light off. I'm gonna do that. Thanks, Jason. I'm gonna do this. They're gonna make my 2 cents. Jason 2 cents, now it's my 2 cents. All right, see you guys later. Bye. Put some super glue. Got a dollar store right there. Put that together. Got 2 pennies. Put that together. Now, put some there. Close the lid. Oh crap, got my hand. Penny flip over, got in my hand. Lights off. All right, that's it, guys. See you later. If you all have the same problem, that's the way to fix it, I guess. Hope that helped you. Check out Jason things that he got some good stuff. Later.